So click the new post. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Make Money Digital Marketing. Today I'm gonna show you how to write a post for your blog. So I'm gonna copy this all content. Do not copy, because if you copy this content, so you have a copyright strike on your blog, so you can't copy this content. This I'm gonna paste it here. And just publish it. We can view this article. It's look like this. You can add a pic if you want. So I'm going to show you how to add a post image on your blog. Just click the choose file. And select this file, this image. Then select. Then you can add a caption. Caption. Then of it. If we view this article, you can see this is our first post on Beauty Guide. So next time I'm going to show you how to rewrite a copyright footer on your blog.